The Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF has confirmed the death of squadron leader retired Ritswanetsi Vuyonwe in a plane crash on Friday, 30 May. Sanabina mashoko onekwa kunzi aiwa poitika airplane crash ZDF yona kunzi yoya ichi tora upenyu hwe ZDF leader retired aiwa Vuyonwe ndori subscribe like out on the bed kuti mdavula mobile kwamjenzi. In a statement, the ZDF said Ngube died when an Air Force of Zimbabwe F-7 fighter aircraft, which was on a routine sortie, crashed in the Wareji area along the Gwerumvuma Road. The Zimbabwe Defense Forces has confirmed the death of the squadron leader retired Ngube in a plane crash on Friday, 30 May. A dark cloud has engulfed the Zimbabwe Defense Forces family after an Air Force of Zimbabwe F-7 fighter aircraft crashed in the Wareji general area along the Gwerumvuma Road. As a result of the crash, the pilot, squadron leader retired Vuyonwe, lost his life. The aircraft was on a routine sortie. Squadron leader Nwe had a passion for flying and a dedication to serving his nation, which made him decide to rejoin the Air Force of Zimbabwe from retirement. At the time of his passing, he was one of the experienced pilots training young fighter pilots at Josiah Tungamira Air Force Base. In his message after the accident, Commander Zimbabwe Defense Forces General P.V. Sibanda said, "The Zimbabwe Defense Forces have learned with a heavy heart on the passing on of a proficient and highly experienced pilot, squadron leader Nwe, after an aircraft accident. Right now, our thoughts and prayers are with the family of the deceased pilot. I want to extend my deepest condolences to the family and friends of the deceased for this sad loss." Ndo mashukano kuda achinyorwa awo pamusoro awo pekutsakatika kwe this squadron leader. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi awo pena comment section medu dza mafunguro enyu. Subscribe, like and turn on the bell icon.